iPhone 15 Pro is packed with industry-first innovations and features our users are going to love. And we are thrilled to introduce our astonishing new titanium design. This is the most premium material we've ever used in an iPhone enclosure.
Every material we choose for iPhone is meticulously considered. For iPhone 15 Pro, we reevaluated every structural component, inside and out, optimizing our alloy selection and creating a breakthrough innovation in manufacturing and materials design. The new enclosure uses grade 5 titanium, an alloy that has even higher tensile strength than pure titanium. In fact, this is the same alloy used on the Mars rover.
Which basically means it's light enough to get up into space and strong enough to make it all the way back to Earth.
Quite unfortunate.
Titanium. The same material used in spacecraft design.
I haven't seen that.
In addition to the strength of titanium, iPhone 15 Pro has the toughest glass-based materials in the industry, which is only available on iPhone.
What we bring are...
Titanium has one of the highest strength-to-weight ratios of any metal, providing incredible durability for iPhone in comparison to stainless steel.
That does it! It's truly horrifying.
There we go.